A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a DA93 website for free. Open the browser and enter www.theverge.com. Click on plus icon, click on sign up. Click on sign up, enter details and click sign up. Complete the verification check to sign up. Open the email and click the confirmation link in the email. Click on plus icon, go to Profile Links. Click on Edit Profile Link. Enter website name and website URL. Update the profile. Now copy the profile link. Open the link in a private window to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com for 1000+ step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.